Thank you for watching this short video that highlights the OPD8475 LPG Underground Overfill Prevention Filling Device from RegO. Let's start by making sure that you know how important an OPD can be. Overfilling prevention devices protect people, property, and the environment by offering a secondary safeguard against excessive volume and pressure in the container, potential leaks from pressure relief valve discharge, or even explosion. The primary safeguard is the driver not being distracted by customers or their cell phone, and using the fixed maximum liquid level gauge. This way, a driver can see the white fog, which indicates that the container has been filled to its maximum level. Since we don't live in a perfect world where there are no distractions, a secondary method of overfill prevention is needed, and that's exactly what the OPD8475 offers. In addition to the safety concerns that overfilling may present, there are also financial impacts as well. It takes time and money to service the container that has been overfilled. Your company can eliminate the possibility of an overfilled container by using RegO's overfilling prevention devices. For some time, RegO has manufactured OPDs for above-ground containers, and now we have a solution for underground tank overfill prevention, the OPD8475. It provides an automatic means to prevent the overfilling of an underground container in excess of the maximum permitted filling limit. The OPD8475 device is designed to be fitted at the end of the filler tube of the multivalve. This is a secondary device and should not be used as the primary method for filling containers to their proper maximum level. RegO provides exact instructions in the manual in order to determine the proper valve position and fill tube length for the correct shutoff level. When the OPD8475 is fitted to the end of the filler tube at the correct height, when filling the container, the driver would use the fixed maximum liquid level gauge as his primary method for knowing when the container is full, only relying on the OPD8475 to provide that extra protection to activate and shut off the flow of propane completely at 80 to 85% if the driver is distracted and does not shut off the pump when he sees the white fog escape from the fixed maximum liquid level gauge. The float would lift and close the valve and prevent overfilling the container. Let's watch a demo of how this works in our lab with a cutaway container and water. The water represents the liquid level of the propane in the container. Our driver will connect the hose to the multivalve and begin filling. Notice that when the filling begins, the spray pattern of the valve sprays the liquid into the vapor space of the tank, creating less head pressure than when filled through the liquid space. As we continue filling, if this were propane instead of water, when the liquid reaches the set threshold, you would see the white fog appear from the fixed maximum liquid level gauge as the primary method of knowing when the container has reached its maximum level. Let's suppose that the primary method was not noticed and filling continued. The OPD8475 will now perform its job and shut off the flow completely, preventing an overfill condition. Remember, preventing an overfill condition is important. It's important for safety, and it's important to your bottom line. With the OPD8475, you now have the ability to prevent this when filling underground LPG containers. RegO has been manufacturing OPD devices for above-ground tanks for some time. The SFL7579V series, with a 1 1/4 inch male NPT connection, combines filler valve and overfill protection in one device, and is designed to provide fast filling and protection against overfilling of vertical and horizontal above-ground LPG containers. The SF7647V series, with a 3/4 inch male NPT connection, provides a solution for vertical, above-ground, small bulk type containers. If you have further questions, please go to our website at www.regoproducts.com and check out all of our LPG products. Thanks for watching this instructional video.